Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating thought experiment that challenges our perceptions of optimism and pessimism through the lens of physics. Imagine a glass of water, but suddenly, it's half empty not just in the metaphorical sense, but literally. What happens when we introduce a vacuum into the equation? Traditionally, we think of the glass as half full or half empty, but what if we take it a step further? Let's explore three scenarios. A glass filled with air and water, a glass with a vacuum on top, and one with a vacuum on the bottom. At first, nothing seems to happen. The air molecules are mostly stationary, but the fastest ones start drifting into the vacuum. Meanwhile, the water in the vacuum doesn't expand like air does. Instead, it begins to boil, releasing water vapor into the empty space. As time ticks on, the air rushes into the glass with the vacuum on the left, creating a pressure wave that reverberates through the water. This wave travels quickly, and soon enough, we hear a loud bang as the shock wave reaches our ears. Now, let's shift our focus to the glass on the right. Here, the air pressure is pushing down on the water while simultaneously trying to lift the glass from below. This creates a fascinating effect we often think of as suction. In the glass with the vacuum on the right, the water and glass begin to slide toward each other at an alarming speed. With only a thin layer of water vapor separating them, the impact is intense. The water slams into the bottom of the glass, creating a force so powerful that it can shatter even the sturdiest of drinking glasses. It's a striking reminder of how our perceptions can shift dramatically based on the circumstances we find ourselves in. So what's the takeaway here? Whether you identify more with the optimist or the pessimist, there's a deeper understanding to be gained from this scenario. It's not just about how we view the glass. It's about recognizing the forces at play in our lives. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of perspective and physics. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to follow or subscribe for more intriguing content. Until next time, keep questioning and stay curious.